Now there are some property of Laplace transform. So first is shifting property. If Laplace ft is equal to f bar s, then Laplace e to the power at ft is equal to f bar s minus a, or we can use p instead of s. Okay, so it will be Laplace ft is equal to fp, then Laplace e to the power at ft is equal to fp minus a. Now change of scale property. So if Laplace ft is equal to fp, then Laplace fat is equal to 1 by a fp by a. Now there is second shifting theorem or shifting property. If Laplace ft is equal to fp and gt is equal to ft minus a, such that t is greater than a and 0 when t is less than a, then Laplace gt is equal to e to the power minus ap fp. Now we will see some question of Laplace transform. So Laplace ft, where ft is equal to cos t minus 2 by 3 pi when t is greater than 2 pi by 3 and 0 when t is less than 2 pi by 3. Let phi t is equal to cos t. Let phi t is equal to cos t. So function of t is equal to phi t minus 2 pi by 3 when t is greater than 2 pi by 3 and 0 when t is less than 2 pi by 3. We have Laplace phi t is equal to Laplace cos t, which is equal to s by s square plus 1, which is equal to fs. We can say from second shifting theorem, we have Laplace ft is equal to e to the power minus 2 pi by 3 s into fs, which implies that e to the power minus 2 pi s by 3 into s by s square plus 1. We have Laplace ft is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. So 0 to integration 0 to 2 pi by 3 e to the power minus st into 0 dt plus integration 2 pi by 3 to infinity e to the power minus st cos t minus 2 pi by 3 dt, which is equal to integration 2 pi by 3 to infinity e to the power minus st cos t minus 2 pi by 3 dt, which is equal to 0 to infinity integration e to the power minus s x plus 2 pi by 3 cos x dx. Putting t minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to x and dt is equal to dx, so we will get e to the power minus s 2 pi by 3 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx cos x dx, which is equal to e to the power minus s 2 pi by 3 integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus st cos t dt. So which is equal to e to the power minus s 2 pi by 3 Laplace cos t, which is equal to e to the power minus 2s pi by 3 bracket s plus s square plus 1, where p is greater than 0. Now there is a question Laplace e to the power minus t 3 sin hyperbolic 2t minus 5 cos hyperbolic 2t. So we know that 3 by 1 3 into 1 by s square minus 4 minus s into s by s square minus 4, it is 5 s by s square minus 4. So we can write it 3 into 2 by s square minus 4 minus 5s by s square minus 4 minus 5s by s square minus 4, which is equal to 6 minus 5s by s square minus 4. So f bar s we can say. Now Laplace e to the power minus t bracket 3 sin hyperbolic 2t minus 5 cos hyperbolic 2t is equal to f bar s plus 1, which is equal to 6 minus 5 s plus 1 upon s plus 1 का whole square minus 4. So it can be written as 6 minus 5 bracket s plus 1 upon s square plus 1 plus 2s minus 4, or on solving this we will get 6 minus 5 s plus 1 upon s square plus 2s minus 3, or on solving we will get 6 minus 5s minus 5 s square plus 2s minus 3, or on solving this 6 minus 5s minus 5 we will get 1 minus 5s by s square plus 2s minus 3. Now there is a question from first shifting theorem. Laplace e to the power 60 t plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर. सो इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. लाप्लास टी प्लस टू का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू लाप्लास टी स्क्वायर प्लस फोर टी. लाप्लास टी स्क्वायर प्लस फोर टी. Laplace t square plus 4 Laplace 1 plus 4 Laplace t. So on solving this we will get factorial 2 factorial upon x cube plus 4 into 1 by s plus 4 into 1 by s square, which is equal to 2 by s cube plus 4 by s plus 4 by s square is equal to 2 plus 4s square plus 4s by s cube, which is equal to 2 plus 4s plus 4s square upon s cube. So it is f bar s. We can say now Laplace e to the power 60 t plus 2 का whole square is equal to f bar s minus 6. So which is equal to 2 plus 4 s minus 6 plus 4 s minus 6 का whole square upon s minus 6 का whole cube, which is equal to 2 plus 4s minus 24 plus 4 s square plus 36 minus 12s upon s minus 6 का whole cube. Now 4s minus 22 plus 4s square plus 144 minus 48s upon s minus 6 का whole cube, which is equal to 4s square minus 44s plus 122 upon s minus 6 का whole cube. Now there is another question. Laplace e to the power minus t sine square t. We know that Laplace sine square t is equal to Laplace 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2t, which is equal to 1 by 2 1 by s minus s by s square plus 4, which is equal to 2 by s square plus 4, which is equal to f bar s. Say now by shifting property Laplace e to the power minus t sine square t is equal to f bar s plus 1, which is equal to 2 by s plus 1 का whole square plus 4 is equal to 2 by s plus 1 s square plus 1 plus 2s plus 4, which is equal to 2 by s plus 1 s square plus 2s plus 5. Now there is another question. E to the power minus 80 t to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. So Laplace of e to the power 80 t to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial, we have Laplace t to the power n minus 1 upon factorial n minus 1, which is equal to fs or fp. So Laplace t to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 factorial upon s to the power n minus 1 plus 1 uh, upon n minus 1 factorial. So which is equal to n minus 1 factorial upon s to the power n upon n minus 1 factorial. So we can rearrange on this term. We will get n minus 1 factorial upon s to the power n into n minus 1 factorial. This is 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So on cancelling terms, we will get Laplace t to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 is equal to 1 by s to the power n.